Welcome to the Techno King.
Then subscribe to the channel so you get a scoop into what we have just for you. Few things are more relaxing than seeing a rhythmic machine smoothly complete a mind-blowing task. So sit back, relax, and watch on as we show you the 10 most satisfying inventions of modern technology out there. Number 10. The Thunder Laser Cutting Machine. The Thunder Laser Cutting Machine uses lasers to create genuine pieces of art, and it's one of the most enjoyable things to see. Simply program the Thunder to move the laser in the manner and location you desire, and it will do so. Its super powerful laser can cut through wood, high-density fiberboard, and even sheet metal, allowing you to create any design that you can imagine while seeing it in action. The Thunder can take an hour or more to finish the job, so it's a long process. However, viewing a sped-up video of the process is enough to make the eyes and heart dance. Watching the laser dance around the material, cutting through it with ease, and leaving behind pure art is just magical. The Thunder Laser Cutter will make your vision a reality, whether you're carving out some wood art or producing sections of a model to assemble on your day off. Number 9. 3D Printing Home. 3D printing has been around for a while, and the sheer amount of stuff you can make with one of those machines is incredible. However, the most incredible of all would have been how you can 3D print yourself a house. Not a doll house, but an actual house that you and your loved ones can live in comfortably. To mass-produce 3D printing homes and alleviate the worldwide homeless crisis, a housing charity called New Story has joined with a construction tech startup named Icon. The ultimate goal is to build each 650 square foot home in less than 24 hours for roughly $4,000 each. Observing the home construction process is pure eye candy. Humans begin to assemble the basic wooden structure, and then the 3D printer named Vulcan prints out layers upon layers of mortar with the precision of a master baker, artfully icing a 7-layer cake, and then humans return to add the rest of the doors, windows, plumbing, and electricity, resulting in a comfortable home. Number 8. The Sea Bin. Seeing bottles, cigarettes, and a plethora of other items slowly pulled into the sea bin one by one like a watery conveyor belt is something you could sit and contemplate for hours. When the sea bin is full, the operator can remove the mesh and collect the garbage, which can then be recycled or disposed of properly. Our waters are instantly cleaner than they are the day before. Around 70 marinas have already agreed to employ the sea bin so far, and it's only a matter of time before more do around the world. Any fish that may have gotten sucked into the sea bin will simply have to be returned home. Number 7. Tire Repair Kit. Nobody likes getting a flat tire, but imagine being on the moon or Mars and having your tire blow out, and having to call AAA to come out there. NASA has invented a new type of tire to ensure that you never have to deal with flats millions of miles away, and it's fascinating to see how it looks. It's made of chainmail. Even though it's composed of nickel and titanium-based alloys, it does not puncture under pressure like regular air-filled tires, and instead simply rolls over whatever barrier it encounters. It's relaxing to watch and think about driving over a tall, jagged rock and watching the titanium mesh sink and form with the rock while experiencing no damage. Imagine driving your car on such a tire, being able to go almost anywhere you choose, and never having to worry about a flat or changing out your winter tires for summer ones. While titanium alloy is currently out of reach for the average Joe and Jane, it's only a matter of time before prices drop dramatically. When that occurs, all of us have no idea how to change a tire, and we will rejoice because our time has finally come here. Number 6. Ilios Flying Drone. Drones that fly are already entertaining to watch, but the Ilios flying drones, especially the little Helios, is stronger, but similarly tiny twin are twice as entertaining. Helios is also wrapped in a durable circular cage that protects it from harm. If it isn't immune to collisions, it can float in and around dark, dangerous regions that other drones and people can't get to. The HD camera then sends footage back to the operator, who would not have been able to observe that place otherwise. And never mind how much a collision-proof drone may help enterprises of all kinds. Observing the Ilios in action, bobbing up and down, and all about like an eternally floating beach ball, it's extremely fulfilling. However, manipulating the Ilios and moving such a perfect circle around is both calming and extremely enjoyable. Number 5. The Speedy Tee. Folding t-shirts isn't always relaxing, and virtually little about laundry is, but the Quick Team machine is here to change that. The Speedy Tee is roughly the size of a conventional table, making it exceedingly simple to use. Simply lay an unfolded shirt on the tabletop with the sleeves dangling from the sides, press the button, and the machine does the rest in less than 3 seconds. The bottom folds up first, followed by one sleeve, then the entire thing folds over the top. The now folded shirts are then flipped onto the stack table where they can be stacked on top of one another. The shirt is as gorgeous as a department store, but what if you're in a department store and you need to wrap the shirt up? The Speedy Tee has a function for that as well. It folds the shirt as usual but stops the funnel flip in the middle of the flight, allowing the user to easily slip a plastic bag over the shirt, making it shelf ready. But never mind that, we could just sit and watch this machine fold shirts for hours. Number 4. The Fluster Valega. Many of these delightful creations accomplish one thing that makes the eyes happy. The manufacturing giant's optimism inspires us to create a work of art out of board paving. Optimist being by using a large grater screen to flatten out the would-be road gravel. Watching the lumps of materials eventually flatten out into a tolerable even surface is positively gratifying. Next comes the laying of the concrete, which is formerly known as the Optimus T11 Basic Lustre Valega machine. The Lange machine's Optimist paver transforms the boring job of pouring cement into a rewarding puzzle. The concrete has already been set and is delivered in varied chunks that look like jigsaw pieces. The Fluster Valega machine allows each stone puzzle component to be placed adjacent to each other, with only a few holes for a worker to fit a brick inside. We now have a new road, driveway, parking lot, or anything else that's required. Paving is not difficult, but rather smart labor as well as relaxing enjoyment. Number 3. Forming machine. Heat and vacuum sealing is used to form a 4mm sheet of plastic around a predetermined mold in this vacuum. Simply place the mold in the machine, lower it, and insert the plastic at the top. The machine will take care of the rest. The plastic becomes incredibly soft and pliable after 60 seconds of tremendous heat. You elevate the mold, and as the two collide, they make the coolest mold creation you've ever seen, and that you'll see it instantly as the plastic takes on the mold shape. More than anything, the side of the plastic, assuming it's shaped like the T1000 changing shapes, is the selling point for our eyes. If there's a neater, more relaxing way to mass-produce plastic toys or parts, we're yet to see it. Number 2. Printed roads. We don't have to work as hard if we don't have to. Thanks to current technology like the RPS 6 road printer, Lee was able to put down a road brick by brick. We can just roll out a complete road where we want to, 5 times faster than we use personal alone, and marvel at the immensely fulfilling, ever-poetic process in the process. Workers transport stray bricks to the top of the road printer and then set them on a curving ramp and combine them into a series of straight lines that the road printer consumes, and from there, the machine physically uses the completed road into whichever path you pick. It's very incredible to see a machine spit out a whole road, and we could watch it continue its job indefinitely. The road printer can print roads up to 20 feet wide, which make it even more remarkable. Number 1. The Ocean Garbage Collector. There are a few things more unpleasant than watching trash floating around in the ocean, but there's a lot of it. We can't just swim around collecting everything. So a firm called CBN Project has come up with a better solution. An ocean rubbish collector that is both environmentally friendly and entertaining to watch. Place a large trash bin in the water with only the top of its head sticking out, inside a plastic mesh in the filter, and below all of that is a water pump designed to suck water into the bin, as well as any other trashy foreign objects in the water, such as plastics, paper, cigarette butts, and other trashy foreign objects. With that, we come to the end of today's video. We hope you found it entertaining. Make sure to like and share our video, and if you want us to do a video on any topic, let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel while doing that. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.